agenda today, nothing really that has to get done other than wife's got a slow leak on a tire, so I'm gonna get that off, get it down to the repair shop. Beyond that, it's just a beautiful day outside, so I'm gonna try and do as much as I can out there, and that is pretty much it. We'll see how much we can accomplish. Let's get after it. You can definitely see something in there, something up there. She hit something. So, yeah, at least we identified it for him. Hopefully he can get that fixed today. Something with the front door here. It's a door that we've been planning for 25 years to replace and never have. And it's hard because nothing is straight in a house like this. And this is a little wonky, but it's our kind of wonky. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and take it off. Need some new weather stripping at the bottom. I'm gonna put a new lock set on. And then the outside, I just painted with some of the house paint. I've got new color I think I might want to try on there. A couple cans of spray paint. We'll sand this down, patch it up, and yeah, get a new coat of paint on there, see how we like it. And we'll go from there. You can see or is not in that great a shape. No rust, though, really to speak of. It's a steel door, so that won't take too much. I think I can get away with just a nice sand and a coat of paint on there. And of course, a new lock set. This one's about wonky. You can see the difference in level here. So the threshold there is level. So this right there, that's level, and the floor is totally out of whack. I believe that they built this little foyer onto an existing porch from way back when. The house had been at some point divided up into apartments. The school superintendent owned it for a while. This was way back in the day when the teachers wouldn't be from the area, and this was divided up into housing for teachers. So I believe they put this foyer on, and they used this as one apartment door, and this is the other. Both of them have nice transoms, and of course, the matching transom up there, which eventually I'll get around to refinishing that as well. So let's get that door done. The problems. First thing, this weather stripping needs replaced. That's green. Don't know that I'm sold on that color, but we'll see. We'll get another coat on it, and then yeah, we'll see. I'm thinking it's going to be a little too green, and I'll end up repainting this. But yeah. Not certain that we made progress. Certainly didn't make perfection. Weather seal on the bottom. This one's for a 36-inch door. This is a 32-inch door, so it's going to require a little bit of trimming. So a fair amount of trimming. Probably a better tool than scissors. To inset these barbs in a little bit. For that, I think I will use a different tool. Use multi-tool. Should just be one blade width. Yeah. Grab a mount. Set in there pretty good. One thing I am gonna do just to make certain this stays, I'm gonna drive one screw on each end. Yeah, still not sold on the color, but I think it'll do for now. And if we don't like it, we'll change it out later. And looks like just in time, the wife is pulling in the driveway. So with that, thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.